Hello everyone, the sun is coming out. Thank goodness. The birds are happy this morning. Hi kitty. Hi kitty. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Just looking? Say. Hello Adam. How are you this morning? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. It's gonna be a nice day, looks like. Yeah, it is. Nice and sunny right now. I'll talk to you later, Adam. Okay, see you everybody. Stay tuned later on, everybody. I'm going to do a garden update. This rain, every time it rains, my garden grows, which is great. But I got some things to show you that's grown, the green beans especially. The spaghetti squash. I'm trying to get woke up. I may do a live chat on my front porch one day. I think the problem back here is I'm too far away from my Wi-Fi. But it wouldn't be as far on the front porch. I think it would do better. It's still a little cloudy. Dew on the grass. It's a nice little spaghetti squash trying to grow there. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. Of course, I said that yesterday, and then it turned around and stormed. And then it went away, and it got sunny again, then it rained again, and then it got sunny again. Makes it steamy like that, humid. My brother trimmed that bush. If y'all remember seeing it, it was really big. Still is pretty big. It looks a lot better. Well, everyone, I think I'm gonna go on in, and after I eat, I'll probably come out here and do a garden update for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please press the like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that notification bell so that you get all my videos as soon as they come out. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you after a while.